In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove and add your underline here in Google Sheets. If you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to remove the format of an underline with your data, here's how to do it. First, you won't be able to find the underline tool here in the toolbar. You will, however, see your bold, italic, and your strike through, but not your underline. So where do we find it? Well, all you have to do would be to go to Format here in the menu bar and select Text. Here on the right side, we will see that bold, italic, and strike through, and also our underline. So you can click on this and you'll be able to add or remove that underline, or you can also use your keyboard shortcuts, Control or Command plus U. So let's go ahead and click on this one first to remove the underline on our data. And there you have it. To reapply it, let's try and use those keyboard shortcuts. So we're going to press Control or Command key, then U. And there you go. So that's how we can remove and add that underline. Now, another way that you will encounter an underlined data would be if you have inserted a link to it. So for this next example, we have a link attached or inserted to this text right here. Now, if you want to keep that link inserted to that text but not the underline, you can still do the same thing. So go back to Format, select Text, then Underline. And there you go. And still you have that link attached. Now, if you want to remove the underline and your link, just click on the Remove Link option right here. If you click on that, there you have it. It will revert back to its previous format. And that's how easy it is. You can remove and add your underline here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.